Hi, this is a brief tutorial on how to use the tf32 application and copy images from the tf32 into a program or application like Word. This will be helpful for you guys when you're doing some lab activities where you need to actually turn in an image as part of the assignment. So if you haven't already done so, please go through some of the introductory demos on how to open and use the tf32 because I'm going to skip over, assume that you have an understanding of how to load files and play them, etc. So we're going to open up a signal, and let's just open this up. So this is a audio signal wave recording, and we can play it. So it's me producing some sort of vowel. And as you can see, the default display is to have a sound pressure waveform here and a wideband spectrogram here. Now let's say, for instance, that you're interested in plotting this or wanting to display this plot and perhaps draw notes on it or make comments on it. Probably the easiest way to do that would just to simply be to copy this image into a Word document. In order to do that, you just need to go up to the Edit window here and click on Copy Image to Clipboard. And if you do that and then open, for example, Word, and then right-click and do a paste, you can paste this right into a Word document. The nice thing about this, you can either use the Word annotation option so that you can put arrows and type in text, or you could just simply print this off and write comments on it. Another option, which is worth noting, is if we go back here, you can actually show different aspects of displays. So for example, you can click on the Time Freak A button here, which is the actual window that you use to set the parameters for the spectrogram. If you click Close TF and hit OK, now we just have a simple waveform. Again, if you go to the Edit, Copy Image to Clipboard, and then go back to the Word file and do a paste, you'll notice this time now we only have the sound pressure waveform. Alternatively, if you only want to show, for example, the spectrogram, you can go and reload this. And there is a view option where you can remove the wave plot by going to View Wave Plot, hit OK. Now you've removed the sound pressure waveform, and you can go back to Edit and Copy Image to Clipboard. Go back to here. And now you'll see that it just plots the spectrogram. So those are some different ways to plot spectrograms and, or at least paste spectrograms and waveforms into a something like a Word document for annotation, and if you wanted to demonstrate something, if you expand around an area of interest on a lab activity and want to show that to me. Another thing that's worth noting is that it's a little different if you want to actually use or paste a spectrum display into a Word document. So for example, now we've opened up the spectrum window, so we have now an amplitude spectrum here, we have the waveform up here, and the spectrogram. And so we've got a spectrum envelope at this time slice right here. To actually do something with this, you simply have to click the Copy button. And if you go into the Word document and you go to Paste Options, do a paste, And now you have this. And then once you're in here, you can adjust the size of this signal however you want. So I thought this might be a helpful way to demonstrate how to use the copy tool in tf32 to take images and move them into a word processing application. That's all.